What's up guys, and welcome to a new video. In today's video we will talk about retinol and everything that you need to know about it. First of all, we will talk about what retinol exactly is. Then we will talk about the benefits and how retinol can help you to improve your skin. After that, we will shortly talk about how and when to use it. And last but not least, I will give you some recommendations of my favorite products. But before we start with today's video, take a quick second guys and smash that like and subscribe button down below so I can help you out with daily videos to become your best and most attractive version ever. So definitely make sure that you don't miss out on this opportunity. Alright, let's talk first of all what retinol is. Retinol is an incredible anti-aging ingredient, which is basically another form of vitamin A. It is one of the only ingredients which is scientifically proven to have an anti-aging effect on your skin. You will find it in a lot of high quality skincare products, especially in serums. By using retinol on a consistent basis, it will help you to minimize fine lines and also to decrease big pores, especially when you got oily skin. Besides that, retinol also works incredible if you have any dark spots on your face. Retinols are keratolytics, which simply means that they can help you to exfoliate the top layer of your skin. So if you use it on a consistent basis, it can actually help you to get rid of dark and brown spots on your face. Now some of you might wonder if you can also use retinol against acne scars. And yes, it will definitely help you to cure acne scars. Retinol has an incredible effect if you deal with any kind of damaged skin. And if you struggle with impure skin and a lot of pimples, retinol will help you as well. As I already said, it decreases the size of your pores and therefore prevents that they get clogged and cause any pimples. Basically, retinol is a real all-rounder and can help you with a lot of skin issues. So if you don't want to spend a lot of money on different skincare products, only invest in a good retinol serum and a good moisturizer and you can deal with the majority of your skin issues. But now let's continue. When should you use it and how often should you use it? My recommendation would be to use it only once per day, or you can also start with every second day, depending on how high the retinol concentration is in your product. The higher the retinol concentration is, the less you should use it. Always keep that in mind. Besides that, I would also recommend to only use it at nighttime, as it is actually deactivated by the sun. Which simply means that the effect by using retinol overnight is way stronger than using it through the day. Another thing that you should keep in mind is applying retinol only on dry skin and not on wet skin. Because when you apply it on wet skin, it will get even deeper into your skin, which is not always beneficial. Especially if you deal with sensitive skin. So keep in mind, only use it once or every second day and only apply it on dry skin and not on wet skin. Try to implement retinol step by step into your skincare routine. For example, start with using it only 2 times per week. And as soon as your skin gets used to retinol, you can higher the dosage. Alright, now let's continue with what kind of products you should use. I would personally always recommend to go for retinol serum instead of a cream, as it absorbs way better and quicker into your skin. Plus the ingredients of the serum are most of the times way better in comparison to most other creams. But it is only my personal preference. And besides that, it also highly depends on your skin type. For example, if you deal with oily skin, you should definitely go with a retinol serum, as it is simply way lighter on your skin and will not make it oily. But let's say you struggle with dry skin, then you should maybe go with a cream that contains retinol. And in the end, still always check the ingredients and only choose a product that contains 80 to 90% of natural ingredients. Trust me, it is way better for your skin, especially in the long term. I will also link you my 2 favorite products in the description below so you can directly start with the treatment. And that's basically it for today's video. I hope I could help you out. Also guys, make sure to smash a like and subscribe button down below so I can help you out with daily videos to become your best version ever. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next video.